In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. Whether you're managing appointments, juggling multiple schedules, or just trying to streamline your calendar management, linking these two powerful tools can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to seamlessly integrate your Calendly and Google Calendar. First things first, what you need to do is log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, navigate over to the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This section is where all the magic happens, and it's your gateway to connecting Calendly with a variety of tools that you might already be using. Once you're in the Integrations and Apps, your next step is to look for Google Calendar on the list. Google Calendar should be fairly easy to spot given its popularity, but if you're having trouble, you might find a search bar helpful in locating it faster. Once you've found Google Calendar, just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Google Calendar, you'll see an option that says Connect. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point of the actual connection process. Clicking on Connect will begin the process of linking the two accounts, taking you to the next step. Now you will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. This is a very important part because it ensures that your accounts are properly linked in a secure manner. Once you're on the Google sign-in page, you need to choose the Google account that you want to connect to Calendly. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one that contains the calendar you primarily use and want to sync with. Once you've chosen the appropriate Google account, click Continue, and you'll be prompted to choose the specific Google Calendar that you would like to sync with. This is especially useful if you maintain multiple calendars for different facets of your life, such as work, personal tasks, or other projects. Lastly, you'll need to grant Calendly permission to access your calendar. This step is crucial as it enables Calendly to view and in some cases manage your calendar events. Ensuring that your scheduling is optimized across both platforms, make sure to review the permissions, and when you're ready, go ahead and approve them. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your Calendly account to your Google Calendar. This integration will allow your events to sync automatically, reducing the risk of overbooking and ensuring you have an up-to-date overview of all your commitments in one place. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more guides on maximizing your productivity tools.